Hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. We have made it to day 5 of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas unboxing and reveal. Let's see what we have. Yesterday was a stamp set. Oh, I think I have an idea. I was kind of hoping yesterday that, I wonder if there is a die set that might go well with the stamp set because it's all about tags and all of that. So I'm peeking through the bag right there and I see some certain shapes. So let's check it out. There we go. Tiny tags, the die set. Let me grab back out day 4 so we can. So this is good because you have the opportunity to cut them out and layer them, or you could stamp them right on there. Oh, and that's perfect. Of course, right on top of there. And then the with love. I hope you like this. It'll fit right on there. And then these banner ones will fit all these little ones. So that's great. You have the option of cutting them out with the dies for them, or you could stamp them on these tags. Awesome, awesome. So these work together. That is fabulous. I cannot wait to put these together. I love this round tag too. And it's great little banner ones. Ugh, I just love those skinny fishtail tags. Alright, so that is our day number 5, which goes with day number 4, which is really awesome. I will put in the description box the playlist for this series so that you can go check it out and go back and watch any of the other days if you missed them, and any projects that I do make with the 12 Days of Christmas calendar unboxing stuff. I will also put in that playlist, so it will be there. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.